Hello, did you order Uber Black?
Yes.
Hi, what's the name?
Nicolette.
Yeah, hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, just been driving Uber.
So, my card actually doesn't have any money on it, so it's gonna decline for this ride.
Oh, you don't need to worry about that because it's already paid for with through the app.
But I don't have any money on the card, so it's not gonna pay for it. Isn't there any other way I can pay you for the ride?
No, I mean I don't take cash because it has to go through the app. But I'm pretty sure it'll go through because it's on your credit card, right?
Yeah, but I can do a favor for you or something to pay for the ride. Maybe wash your car or wash your dog. Do you have a dog?
So you're sure it's not gonna go through on the app?
It's not. I'm sorry, but I can do something else.
Well, it was gonna be this was gonna be like a $50 ride, so.
I know. That's why if you had any chores or anything for me to do, I can definitely do that.
You want to wash my car?
Or your dog.
You want to wash my dog? Are you serious?
Do you have any puppies?
I do. Yeah.
I love dogs.
Well, it's like a golden retriever, so he's kind of big.
Well, this ride's kind of expensive, so it evens out.
I don't know. I mean, I don't really know how good you are at washing dogs, so
I'm really good at washing dogs. I do it all the time.
I don't know. He's kind of he kind of has anxiety, so he doesn't really like other people, but
dogs love me.
I mean, there is one way you could pay for the ride.
How?
I mean, I'm just saying there's another way you can pay for the ride.
Tell me.
I mean, what are you insinuating that you're you want to pay for the ride another way?
Yeah, because the card is just not going to go through.
All right, I mean, I'm just saying, I don't live, I live just a couple minutes away. I'm just saying,
We can go wash your dog right now?
Look, my dog's clean, okay? I don't need a dog wash. I don't need a car wash, but, just saying, if you're kind of about it.
Do you want me to vacuum?
No. My house is clean, but I'm just saying, maybe we can,
What?
There's some other needs I can get taken care of, I'll put it that way.
Are you saying something?
I mean, I'm just saying, you offered. You offered, right?
Are you being a creep right now?
No, what are you talking about?
I don't know. I feel really uncomfortable.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you're being really weird. I think we should actually just cancel the ride.
You're joking, right?
Yeah, can you pull over?
You're joking.
No, I swear. You're really weird. Pull over.
Oh my gosh. This is...
You're a creep.
Okay, well please don't...
I was just trying to wash your dog. You're being weird.
Okay, well don't report me, please.
No, I'm gonna report you.
No, don't, because I need 5 stars, so...
You're getting no stars and a report.
Can you leave me a tip at least?
No.